Welcome to our guide on how to fix Facebook not opening on your PC. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Begin by refreshing the Facebook web page to see if that resolves the problem. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Visit your browser's support website for detailed instructions on how to do this. If refreshing and clearing the cache do not work, log out of Facebook on your desktop and then log back in to see if that resolves the opening issue. Sometimes a simple restart can be the solution. Turn off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and then power it back on. If the problem persists, try connecting to a different network or switch to using mobile data to see if the issue is related to your current network connection. Don't hesitate to contact Facebook support for further assistance if the problem persists. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly to avoid any connectivity issues that may be preventing Facebook from opening on your PC. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of Facebook not opening on your PC. Stay connected and enjoy a seamless Facebook experience.